I have here a drawer full of odds and ends that have to do with router bits, drill bits, all sorts of bits. I'm going to attempt to organize this mess. But I think I'm going to start by just laying everything out and seeing what's here. Then try to figure out how to sort it, organize it, hopefully reduce the amount of space that it takes. Punches for aluminum chassis. Just corner punch. Stuff I've forgotten that I have. I was looking for these countersinks yesterday. Looked through this drawer twice. Did not find them. That's why I'm doing this. Reacquaint myself with my stuff. You collect this over a number of years when your job is not messing with wood. It's something else, so you don't get to be with it every day. That's part of what retirement is. It's not that we're not busy, it's just we do more of what we want to do instead of what we have to do. The yard goes on forever. All right. Okay. Let's see. Try to group everything. Okay, I think I've got everything sort of in like kind now. I'm going to go away and think for a few minutes, and when I come back with a solution, we'll see how this all ends. I use dog-eared cedar a lot because you can thin it down. It starts out at about a ½ inch. And recently I bought about 20 pieces of this and just lucked up on 2 pieces that had no knots or anything. I mean, just look at that. This was going to be used for fence, but anyway. So what I'm going to do is take them. There's another piece, not in it. Little deformation right there, but nothing that you can't sand out. But I'm going to build some little nesting drawers for my bigger drawers in here, and I'm going to use this. So I started by planing it. It comes pretty rough, so you got to plane it down. But I'm guessing that's probably not quite 3/8 of an inch right there. So let's get started. Now what I'm about to do is to cut. I've set my fence at 2 inches, and I want to cut 2-inch pieces of this. Okay, now we're going to cut some 45-degree corners. Got to be sure that you don't make your cuts where you wind up with parallel. They have to oppose each other or it won't work. And we're going to join the top and bottom so they'll be nice and smooth. Okay, now we're going to run a little route along the bottom to receive the bottom of the tray. So, set the depth to an appropriate amount. Okay, now it's going to take two, well really 1.5, or there about a little over a half, but I'm going to cut 4 of these at 12 1/4 because that will fit in those little slots and that'll make the bottom. I mill this down to 3/8 of an inch. So here we go. Alright, now we're going to, wasn't quite wide enough for 2 of them, so I got to make one of them a little smaller. Alright, so now we got our panel for the bottom of the tray, and what we're going to do is glue it up. I like Bessie clamps. They have a flat bottom. I just discovered a neat way to do this. I don't know if I could even explain it to you. Alright, there's one. One's done. Now here's how I determine how big to cut that next piece. Loosely put that in there. Take a flexible ruler. Tells me exactly how far. Not going to start now. Starting to get dark, so having to rely more on the light, and it bounces in weird ways. Cut this and I'll be right back. I did make it back. Alright, now let's see if we got it right. It appears we did good. Alright, so then what I have to do is glue that. And then we'll be gluing some corners together and finishing. Raining again tonight, but that's okay. Sounds nice on the roof. Okay, this has been drying for probably an hour and a half, 2 at the very most, but I think it's good enough to take out. We're just going to enclose it. That turned out nice. Now let's put it together. Alright, I think I finally got it all threaded. Patience, patience, patience. I'm liking the band thing, I just got it. haven't used it for a time or two. Nice. Okay, yeah. That's good. It's not perfect, but I mean it's just a toolbox after all. So, I'm learning. Alright, let me do that up. I haven't learned about artist specials. You can do neat stuff with it. They're very thin. Alright, let's start the glue up process.